Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Nurujjaman, assistant teacher, Kaliganj Korimuddin Public Pilot High School. My dear students, we have already learned what is articles, how many kinds of articles, and how we use these articles in our daily sentences. Today, we are going to learn a very important thing, that is omission of articles. That means no use of articles. That means we can also clear it. We have to use cross. That means omission of article. Okay, my dear students, today we are going to learn a very different way, not a similar way, not a natural way. It's a different way. At first we are discussing examples, then we develop a rules. My dear students, now we can see some examples. At first, the first example is, he is a very important to me. What is he? He is a pronoun. We can learn that if you say any pronoun before a gap, you have to use cross. In this way, we can develop a rule. That is rule number 1. Cross pronoun and you have to use cross. Similarly, if you look at the example number 2, he will do it tomorrow. Here, do is a verb, and you will just remind it. If you see any verb and it's before a gap, you have to use cross. You can easily develop the rules here. Here you can write verb. Okay, the third examples. The book is on the table. Here is on is a preposition. If you see any preposition before gap, you have to use cross. Now we write here preposition. Okay, the example number 4. He is very poor but honest. What is it? What a kind of parts of speech bird is? I hope you know. It's an conjunction. If you see a conjunction and before a gap, you have to use here cross. That's mean we write conjunction. Okay. The examples number 5. He did the work accurately. Here, what is accurate? Accurate is an adjective, refuse, and then ly. That's why it's an adverb. If you see any adverb, the last word of a sentence, and then a full stop, you have to use here cross. That's why we use here adverb. Okay, my dear students, I gradually describe the examples one by one and form a rules. I just repeat the rules once again. If you see pronoun, verb, preposition, conjunction, adverb, and before gap, you have to use cross. But my dear students, look at another examples. In this example, you can see I have seen dash very smart boy. Here boy is a noun, smart an adjective, and very is an adverb. Okay, what kind of article we use here? Okay, just keep in mind here adverb is a word but not finished, and another two words is smart and boy. If you see any adverb, then adjective or noun, then you have to use articles. That means here we can use here a, not cross, because here accurately is adverb and this is the last word of a sentence. But very is adverb, very is an adverb, but it is not finished. There are also two parts of speech there. Okay, my dear students, now we move the second rules. In this second rules, we are again going to show you two examples. In this example, you can see my, his, then gap. Do you know what is my, his? Okay, I just clear to you. My, his, our, your. There is possessive case. If you see any possessive case, then gap, you have to use cross. I just write down some possessive case. My, your, our, his, her, their. Okay, I just repeat the rule number 2 once again. If you see any possessive case, then gap, you have to use cross. Okay, now let's move the rule number 3. In these rules, you can see at first I have write down some examples. Just look at the examples. Cars are parked outside. Here, cars is a plural noun. Similarly, boys are playing. Here, boys are plural noun. Just keep in mind, if you see any plural noun before gap, you have to use cross. But you have to also remember, here is a word and it is also a plural noun. Can you use here cross? No. Okay, my dear students, we have already learned, if you see any preposition before noun, you have to use the. But look at the examples. In these examples, you can see people is a plural noun. But after plural noun, you can see of. Of is a preposition. If you see of, then people, then you have to use the, not cross. Now, my dear students, I hope you all understand the rules. Now we move the next rule. I am going to dash market for shopping. I am going to dash mosque. To attend a meeting. Okay. Can you tell me what kinds of article we use in this both of these gap? Here is a market and here is a mosque. This is both are the places. I will give the correct answer. Just I describe these rules once again. In these rules, if you visit any place for primary purpose, if you visit any place for a primary purpose, then you have to use no article. That means I am going to market for shopping. I hope you all know it. Market is a place for shopping. That means it's a primary purpose. That's why we use here no articles. And the second example, I am going to the mosque to attend a meeting. Can you tell me mosque is a place for meeting? No, that's not true. Mosque is a place for prayer. But you are going here for a meeting. That means it's not a primary purpose. That's why we use here the. I think you all cleared these rules. Okay, my dear students, we are going to the next rules. It is very important to use cross in a passage. Okay, my dear students, here we can see two examples. In these examples, you can see the industrious are happy. Here happy is an adjective and this is the last word. And the next example, the man was dash here. Here is an adverb. Okay, just keep in mind, if you see any adjective and before a gap, then be verb. Be verb means auxiliary verb. You have to use cross. Similarly, between adverb and auxiliary verb, between adverb and be verb, you have to use cross. What is the rules? The rules is, if you see any adjective or adverb is the last word of a sentence, then before a gap, then be verb or auxiliary verb, you have to use cross. Okay. If you see, I know you are brilliant. Can you tell me what kinds of parts of this brilliant is? I hope you know it. I hope you can. Brilliant is an adjective. And before we have already done, if any words are adjective and adverb and it is the last word of a sentence, you have to use cross. But if I extend the sentence dash here, this is not, I know you are brilliant student. Then full stop. Brilliant is not the brilliant, not the last word. Here the another word is student. Student is a noun. Here what kind of article we use here? Can we use cross or a and the? I hope you all know it. We have to use here a. Because brilliant is an adjective, it is not finished. There is another word. That's why we use here article. Okay. Now we move the rules number 5. December is the last month of the year. Sunday is the second day. Sunday is the second day of the week. Okay, my dear students, here December is the name of month and Sunday is a day. If you see day or month and before gap, that's in this gap you have to use clause. There is no article. I hope you clear it. It's very easy. If you see the parts of a day or a specific day or the name of months, you have to use no article. Okay, now we move the rule number 6. Gold is a precious metal. Honesty is the best policy. Gold is a precious metal. What is gold? Can you tell me what kind of article is gold is? I hope you all know it. Gold is an material noun. Gold is a material noun, and honesty is an abstract noun. If you see before abstract and material noun has a gap, you have to use no article. That's mean you have to use cross. But another example, look at the another example. Dash gold of this ring is pure. Look at the examples. Dash gold of this ring is pure. Dash honesty of Badrul Alam. Badrul Alam is my colleague and he is an excellent English teacher of KOP High School. Dash honesty of Badrul Alam is remarkable. Okay. We have already learned if you see of before a noun, then you have to use the, not cross. Similarly, this is a noun preposition, that's mean of. If you see preposition of, then a noun, you have to use the. I hope it is clear to you and you all understand the rules clearly. My dear students, today we have learned how to use cross. I hope you all enjoy the class and we will meet very soon. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.